You got it.
Let's bring in former federal prosecutor Katie Cherkasky. Katie, the evidence seems stacked against Hunter Biden, considering he admitted to drug use in his memoir. So it's his word then in 2018, or when the memoir came out, versus his word now when he's pleading not guilty. How do you see this going?
Well, the case does seem relatively straightforward. Hunter's defense team had tried to file several motions to try to limit the applicability of this law. There are some constitutional questions about this law that are up in different circuit courts, but the judge in this case has said that this case is going to go forward. They're not allowed to bring up those constitutional challenges in trial. So that was kind of a hope for them pre-trial. And they were also hoping to limit the idea of what it means to knowingly use drugs at the specific time of the purchase, whether it had to be that day or just the general time frame. So the defense is going to try to poke some holes in the idea of the specificity that's required. But other than that, I do think it's a pretty straightforward case for the prosecutors.
Today's jury selection day. You are a former federal prosecutor. If you were prosecuting this case, describe how you would go about voir dire, as we call it in the law. What would you be looking for in the jurors?
Well, of course, there's a lot of political undertones here. The Bidens are a huge force in the state of Delaware, and it politically should be probably pretty favorable for Hunter in many ways. But of course, you want people who don't have strong opinions one way or the other, especially politically speaking, and people maybe that understand how drug use works, but also that they don't have a huge connection to somebody in their family, that, you know, they have a lot of sympathy for that, so that they overlook the actual strict standards of the law. As a prosecutor, that's what you're kind of looking for.
And these are the charges where Hunter Biden agreed to plead guilty to in the plea deal, and then it collapsed. So if you agree to plead guilty to something, how do you come back from that?
Well, the jury will not be made aware of any of the plea deal or the terms that were made under that. So any sort of pretrial negotiations.
Major news, though, so maybe they know.
Well, that's another question for the voir dire, for the jury selection, to ensure that they're not aware of the details of that. And many people are not, because it was kind of wrapped up in the other cases that are going on. And the judge has actually limited the prosecutors from referencing any of the other cases, the tax cases, or anything else that kind of relates to Hunter Biden. Unless he takes the stand, then that could change, and they could open the door to some of that information.
That's going to happen?
I don't know if it's necessary. It will depend on what other evidence is brought in here. I mean, there's his book. There's certain statements that he's made that the jury will be aware of. So if he wants to try to rebut that, perhaps, but I think it would be kind of risky, because there's other things that won't come in unless he is testifying.
Yeah.
We've heard some speculation on some defenses from Hunter's team. It wasn't Hunter who actually lied on said application. And, you know, I may have been high as a kite on Monday, but I bought the gun on a Tuesday. Will any of these defenses fly?
Well, that was something I kind of mentioned earlier, which the judge has ruled on certain issues pre-trial that the defense team had wanted to limit the idea of when the drug use had to take place, like in that specific day that the gun was purchased, or just the general time frame. And it seems like the broader interpretation is going to be what she instructs on. And then in terms of his ability to bring up other kind of issues with the instructions on the law, that's going to be something that the judge has to decide as things move along there.
Yeah. Jury instructions again. Yippee. Yeah. We all learned about them last week. Now we're going to learn about them again.
Yes.
Katie Cherkasky.
Katie, thank you so much.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.